Welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I am bringing you a popular recipe which is a must at many festivals and loved by one and all. That is jalebi. It's a little tricky but easy to make, and you can have crispy crunchy jalebis in less than 20 minutes. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. The ingredients to prepare the jalebi are Maida or all-purpose flour 1 cup, sugar 400 grams, curd or dahi 1/3 cup. I will be using the sour curd, edible orange color few drops. You can also use the powdered jalebi color, few strands of saffron or kesar, elaichi or cardamom powder 1/4 teaspoon, baking powder 1/2 teaspoon. Now we shall first prepare the syrup for our jalebis. Place a vessel on the stove and light the gas. Put in the sugar and pour in 200 ml of water. We do not want to make a sticky syrup which is one thread or two threads. It should just merge properly with the water and be slightly sticky. Our sugar has melted. Turn the stove on low and add 2 teaspoons of milk so that any impurities or scum will come to the surface. Remove the scum which has collected on the surface and discard. Now we shall add the juice of half a lime to avoid crystallization of the sugar on our jalebis. Add the elaichi powder, few strands of saffron, our syrup is now ready. You can check it by bringing it between your fingers and just pulling it across. It should stretch, but there should be no tar, what they call strings. I will turn off the gas. Now we shall prepare the batter for our jalebis. Add the baking powder in the maida. Mix it a little. Add the curd. Add a little water at a time and mix it so that the entire maida comes together. Now we shall use the whisk to whisk our mixture. We shall add a little water at a time. We do not want it to be very thin. We need a little more water so that when we drop it, ribbons should not be formed. This is the consistency we require for making our jalebis. Now I shall be adding a little orange color. You can also add the powdered jalebi color. Our batter is ready to make our jalebis. I shall be using a plastic sauce bottle to make our jalebis. If you want, you can also use a plastic packet in which you can make a small hole and tie it with a rubber band at the end. So now I'll be putting our batter into the sauce bottle. Place a flat bottom pan on the stove and light the gas. Pour some oil into the pan, say about an inch in the pan. Should not be much. Ensure the flame is on medium. When the oil is hot, start making the jalebis, starting from the center, making 3 to 4 circles like how I've done. Fry till jalebis are crisp on one side. Flip over and fry on the other side. Remove from oil and drop into the sugar syrup. Ensure the sugar syrup is warm. Let the jalebi soak in the sugar syrup for 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat the same method for the remaining jalebis. Remove the jalebis from the syrup and place on a plate. So friends, our crispy, crunchy, juicy jalebi is ready. It's an instant jalebi and can be made in 20 minutes. Do make it for your family and friends at home and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next video. Till then, bye bye.